TP again, and as I promised, I'm going to show you guys how to put all the armor pieces on to make all 4 displays. Okay, so this is going to be, we're going to make it, what we're going to make right now is the armored display. So you're going to want to take out the left arm and put it in the joint, the right arm of the statue, put it on the right joint, and then you can move. What's cool about these arms are you can move them pretty much, let's see, almost 360, not quite. You can move the hands 360, and you can move the little foot armor things up and down. And what I suggest you do is you put double-sided 3M tape on this, so your armored figure doesn't go flying off the seat. Now that you have that set up, you're going to want to let's start with the helmet. Now when you take off the helmet, it's going to be pretty tough. There are 2 pins that go into 2 holes on this side, and you're going to want to slide your nail, open it up ever so slightly, slide a nail in there, and oh, there it goes. I hope I didn't break it. Okay, I didn't break the pin. Okay, so it turns out the pins are on this side and the holes are on this side. So you're going to want to pop that head off and then put it into that crevice right there. Push it all the way in, and then you're going to want to put this part away because it looks awkward in the statue form. Okay, you're going to want to shoot those 2 pins in the holes, and then voila, you have your helmet. Okay, so let's take this portion. Okay, so here's the chest armor. You're gonna want to snap it off like that. Take the left arm. Oops. You're gonna want to take off the shoulder joint as well. It's much easier. Take the right arm off. Okay. Put the inner chest armor on till it snaps. Oops. Okay. Now this is made of die cast, the upper portion of the chest armor. And then now, once you have that on, have them just chill out for a second. You take, this is for the right arm. You're gonna want to shoot these 4 holes, or excuse me, you're gonna want to shoot these 4 protrusions into these 4 holes, 4 gaps, I mean, until it snaps into place. And then you're gonna want to get one of these and you're gonna want the smaller one, smaller side, smaller protrusion going away from the thumb, snaps in. Take the left shoulder armor, and you'll notice that there's a ball joint, which is pretty clever. There's 2 holes in the shoulder, and you just snap it in like so. And go ahead, put it on. Okay, now you're gonna want to put this left shoulder piece on, same way as the other side. No, that's the right way. Now this is gonna take a little finesse, and there it goes. Okay, so same thing. Now the left shoulder. Until it snaps, and there you go. Let's take the right foot armor and just snap it. I think what that little bead is, it's a magnet, and there's probably a magnet inside here. And there's also 2 little protrusions that go into the foot. You just have to hear it snap. The lower knee armor. Upper knee armor, make sure the shape matches when you plug it in. The left knee armor. And the way you can tell if this is right side up or not is if you see the L. If it's right side up. Actually, wrong. If you see the L and it's upside down, that means it's right side up. And then you'll take the upper right knee and put it on. Same thing. If it's the L is upside down, that means that the piece is right side up. And then you get the lower part of the left foot. You have to hear it snap into place like that. And let's see, what else? Oh, you're gonna want to have this part instead of that part. So let's go ahead and take that off and put this on. Now there are 2 of these parts, and you have to have the right part. There it goes. That's the part for the bow and arrow. And I find the skirt armor easier to put on if you take off the arms as well. Now with Rekka no Ryo, the skirt armors, they have these same little plastic things, but these are connected on already, and it's connected by a ball joint. The connectors for Rekka no Ryo are kind of like the ones on the shoulders. just 2 pegs that go into 2 holes. But before that, you're gonna want the back skirt and the front skirt on. This is the back skirt. There's a little protrusion there, and you just snap it into place like so. There are also 2 little pegs on the sides. That go into each other. You have the skirt armor on, and then you go ahead and snap on there onto the side pegs. You snap on this little peg. Oh, and you're gonna notice that it's 2 pieces, the side skirt, and there's more plastic. There's a plastic joint, which is pretty cool. I don't think, yeah, I reckon no Rio's is just 1 piece. Snap it on, and it's on. There it goes. Same thing with the right, or left, sorry. This is kind of tricky to get in. And it's snapped in, which is good. Okay. Now, the final pieces are the backpack and the bow. And what you want to do is you're going to want to fold the bow like that. Oops. Have the backpack like this. Just insert. Actually, it's this way. And insert it like that. And there you have it. Your finished Tenku no Touma.